Today, we are excited to bring you some cool tools. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Works Nitro Leaf Jet. The Works Nitro Leaf Jet is a powerful, lightweight, cordless leaf blower designed for efficient yard cleanup. Featuring advanced air amplification technology, it delivers high-speed airflow to clear leaves and debris effortlessly. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the brushless motor enhances performance and battery life. Perfect for homeowners, the LeafJet offers convenience, power, and precision in one innovative tool. Milwaukee Hedge Trimmer. The Milwaukee Hedge Trimmer delivers precision and power for clean, efficient cuts on hedges and shrubs. Featuring a high-performance motor, 24-inch blade, and ergonomic design, it ensures maximum control and comfort during extended use. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery system, it offers unmatched runtime and durability, making it ideal for both professional landscapers and homeowners. Rugged, reliable, and built to last. Best Arc Plasma Cutting Torch. The Best Arc Plasma Cutting Torch combines precision and power for effortless cutting of metal surfaces. Designed for durability, it features an ergonomic grip, efficient cooling system, and high-performance nozzle for clean, accurate cuts. Compatible with most plasma cutters, this versatile torch is perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, delivering reliable results on a variety of materials with ease. Tools Immodebox Rolling Toolbox. The Klein Tools Immodebox Rolling Toolbox offers rugged durability and versatile storage for professionals on the go. With a spacious interior, heavy-duty wheels, and an extendable handle, it ensures easy transport on any terrain. Stackable with other Immodebox components, this toolbox features impact-resistant construction, weatherproof seals, and secure latches, making it the ultimate solution for organized, mobile tool storage. Vever Wire Stripping Machine. The Vever Wire Stripping Machine simplifies wire recycling with its efficient and durable design. Equipped with adjustable blades and rollers, it handles various wire sizes for quick and clean stripping. Built with high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy operation. Ideal for electricians, recyclers, and DIY enthusiasts, this machine maximizes efficiency and reduces waste in wire processing tasks. Malco FS1DL Metal Bender. The Malco FS1DL Metal Bender delivers precision and efficiency for sheet metal fabrication. Its lightweight yet durable design features adjustable settings for sharp, clean bends on various metal types. With ergonomic grips and a compact build, it ensures comfortable handling and easy portability. Perfect for HVAC professionals and metalworkers, this tool combines reliability and versatility for superior performance. Weed Wrench. The Weed Wrench is a powerful, eco-friendly tool designed to uproot invasive plants and small trees effortlessly. Featuring a sturdy steel frame, adjustable jaws, and a lever-action design, it provides maximum leverage to remove roots entirely without chemicals. Durable and easy to use, it's perfect for landscapers, gardeners, and environmentalists focused on sustainable and effective vegetation management. Bondic Liquid Welder. The Bondic Liquid Welder is a revolutionary adhesive tool that repairs, seals, and fills with precision. Using UV light technology, it hardens in seconds, creating a durable bond on various materials like plastic, metal, glass, and wood. Unlike traditional glue, it won't dry out and allows repositioning before curing. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for quick, reliable repairs and creative projects. Makita Grease Gun. The Makita Grease Gun delivers high-performance lubrication for heavy-duty applications. Powered by an 18V LXD battery, it features a variable speed trigger, powerful motor, and auto speed mode for consistent grease flow. With a long, flexible hose and ergonomic design, it ensures easy access to hard-to-reach fittings. Durable and efficient, It's perfect for mechanics, contractors, and maintenance professionals. Vevor Stud Welder. The Vevor Stud Welder provides a fast and efficient solution for welding studs onto various surfaces. With adjustable power settings and a user-friendly design, it ensures precise, strong welds for both professional and DIY projects. Ideal for automotive, construction, and metalworking applications, this durable welder offers reliable performance, reduced spatter, and easy operation, making it a versatile tool for any job. Wetals Corner Clamps. The Wetals Corner Clamps are designed to provide precise 90-degree angles for woodworking, framing, and metalworking projects. Made from durable aluminum alloy, they offer strong clamping force and easy adjustment. With non-slip pads and a user-friendly design, these clamps ensure secure, accurate corner alignment for a variety of tasks, making them ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. DeWalt Saw. The DeWalt Saw is a high-performance tool designed for precision and durability in cutting tasks. Available in circular, miter, and table saw models, it features powerful motors, advanced safety features, and ergonomic designs for ease of use. Whether for construction, woodworking, or home improvement, DeWalt saws deliver consistent, accurate cuts, making them ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. DeBarca Pro. The DeBarca Pro is a powerful tool designed for efficiently removing bark from logs and timber. Built for heavy-duty use, it features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort during long hours of operation. With its adjustable depth settings and sharp blades, the DeBarca Pro offers precise, fast bark removal, making it ideal for lumber mills, woodworkers, and log processing. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.